Hey guys, hope everyone's doing well. I went on a field trip yesterday and I got something. So for those of you that don't know, in addition to this and writing and all the other things that I do, I'm also a sports reporter for covering the Philadelphia Flyers. So I had to go and get myself a Flyers jersey, and I went with Eric Lindros. I wanted Matvei Michkov because I love that guy, but yeah, you get what you get. And also, I did not get Eric Lindros because he likes to have sex with other men's wives. Rod the Bod knows about that one. Anyways, I just want to talk to you a little bit about where I went. The place is called Centro Comercial Palacio Nacional. Make sure I said it all. So basically, we just call it Palacio. And basically, it used to be the Palace of Justice. And now it's turned into probably the most unique mall you'll ever go to in your life. Not only can you buy, jerseys and cool stuff like that, you can get shoes. It's kind of a reps mall, but it's mostly fashion-based stuff. So that's the first, basement, floor 1, floor 2. That's what most people know. But most people don't go up to the 3rd, 4th, and 5th floors. And I did, and I'm going to show you some of the cool stuff that goes on up there. So let's get into it.
So if I'm just being honest with you, I think the best way to get to Centro in general is through the metro. So you can see the metro is pretty well sorted. It's clean. The trains come really quickly. They're not too crowded. I mean, during peak hour, yeah, it's pretty crowded. You're going to have to fight to get on the train. But once you're in Centro, you're going to get off at the San Antonio station and go to the floor level, go to the ground level. It's pretty easy to get there. There's signs that'll take you. They're in Spanish, so, again, no Spanish. But as you walk around the area, you'll see that it's pretty crowded. It's a normal downtown area. But here, this is the best part, is we're walking up. You can see there's all sorts of vendors here along the way. They got everything you could want. There's clothes and everything out here. Shoes, belts. I even said there's one right there off to the side. They sell cocoa, the cocoa fruit, the skin or the meat or whatever you want to call it. They sell that. Delicious. So you'll walk up this little side street here. This little side street will kind of take you, it's about a block and a half or so. You're also going to walk by a bunch of shoe places, jewelry, everything. This is everything you could want is here. But we're going to go up here to the entrance to the Hollywood Mall. And as we go in, you'll see what they sell mostly here, and that is shoes. So there's a lot of rep shoes here and a lot of really good ones. I've actually bought a pair from that Next Shoes place I just passed right there. So every single one of these places is a shoe store, except for the one at the end. The one at the end, they sell electronics and things like that. So really well done, organized, and very inexpensive mall. So you want some shoes? There you go. This is your place. So now we're getting into the Centro area here of it, and jerseys, everything. This is everything out in the open. And this right here is Palacio. This is the entrance to the place, and it is, I'll get a better picture of it at the end, but this one I was just using the GoPro, and the mic does not work very well. You could just walk up the stairs. There is a floor below for low price shoes, but they're lower quality. You can see here, I'll get some better pictures of it, but this is kind of what it looks like, what you can expect. And there's shoe stores everywhere, clothing stores, lifestyle brands. There's everything here. The one ahead of us, they even sell video games. So got everything. See, little jerseys in there and stuff. So it's not just lifestyle brands. It's all sorts of stuff. They sell shirts, pants, socks, underwear, whatever you need. It's here. They sell it in crazy numbers. So up here is a store that I like to go to buy shoes, but right about here, the security guard asked me to not film anymore. So this shop has jerseys. They've got super cool clothes, everything in at good prices. I just bought a Flyers jersey, like this guy here, with this Claude Giroux. But I bought it for 180,000 pesos, about 50 bucks. So you can see they have all sorts of clothes. They got shoes. There's their brand, the 280, el 280. but they have everything you could need. And I'll put all of their information on the screen. They even have super cool jackets and hoodies, everything you could want. So this place is called Palacio. It used to be the Palace of Justice, but now it is a mall that sells clothes and shoes and jerseys and everything. How many places in the world can you go where you see a mall this beautiful that sells replicas and shoes and everything else? It's a gorgeous place. The third floor is where this turns from a mall to something much better. It's an incredible art installation. A local artist. Each place that would be a store turns into an art exhibit. Typically it's one or two different artists take up a location. I gotta be careful with this one because this one has some artistic nudity in it. So I'm only gonna show you this part. I'm not gonna go all, kind of saw it. If you pause, you can probably see it. But a little bit of everything. There is some pop art like this, which I love this kind of art, so this kind of stuff speaks to me. The more you walk around here, the more you're going to see beautiful artwork, and it's just fantastic because it's mostly local artists that do this. Need a pair of shoes? We got you. You need some artwork for your home? We got you too. Go too far there. I'm trying to be careful because there's a lot of nudity in the art, and I know YouTube is not a big fan of this. A lot of local and typical art of Colombia. Downstairs you see a lot more of the consumer aspect of this place, but here you get to see a lot of absolute beauty here. And the best part is this is all free. It's all just part of coming to Palacio. So come and get yourself some new shoes, new clothes, and then just come and watch. People watch and also look at all the incredible art that's here. Michael Jordan is very revered here, as you can see. It's cool because the rings each have crystals on them. Centro Comercial Palacio Nacional. There we go. Up here this is the 5th floor. The 5th floor has more of the physical art, like statues and sculptures and things like that. You can also purchase a lot of things up here. So this is a store dedicated to just the artwork. Look at that bowl. So much. And I mean, just looking here at the building and everything, the architecture is just gorgeous. Actually, I'm gonna stop really quick so you can look and see the view from the top towards the bottom. Of course, there's that guy. He seems to be pretty popular. And I'm also turning away from the nudie art. So there's like pop art like this, and una nalga, fantastic. Oh, and some Botero inspired art. Botero is it's kind of the patron saint of the art scene here in Medellin. He's from here, so it's very popular. So a lot of these pieces here you can purchase. They are for sale. So there we go. You can see the Cotier building right there. It's like the most famous building in Medellin. It's kind of the, I guess it would be the Empire State Building in Medellin. It's that little Botero inspired. That's what you get in Centro. A lot of people have given Centro a bad rap, but it's not bad. It's not all bad. There's a lot of good that happens here. There we go. You can kind of see from here down. All right. Let's head back and we'll head on out. Before I inevitably get the "isn't Centro dangerous?" question, yeah, it can be. But if you walk around without your street smarts, it's dangerous. But the truth of the matter is, it's not that bad here. You can walk around without problems. Keep your stuff. I'm standing right now. I'll show you where I'm at. I'm standing in a place where you're not going to have a lot of trouble. It's not going to be a problem here. There are police everywhere. There's not going to. If you're dumb and you go in a place where you probably shouldn't go, yeah, then that's going to be a problem. But the truth of the matter is, it's not that dangerous here. I mean, it can be, yes, but be smart and you'll be fine. It's like everywhere in Medellin, everywhere in Colombia, everywhere in the Western Hemisphere, everywhere in the world. If you're smart and you protect yourself, you'll be fine. So I would say come to Palacio. It's beautiful here. I'll do an outside shot as we leave, and then you can see it for yourself. This is the San Antonio metro station, and this is the easiest way to get here. It's kind of not busy right now, which is good. It's about to rain, which I don't know if it's good. It's not good for them, but it's good for me to show you. You can see everything is out in the open, and getting in here is super easy. Just take the San Antonio station, and you'll get right to the entrance to it, which is where we came in. And it's easy to get into. It's phenomenal.